You can tell how long somebody has lived in New York City based on how much they move when the subway stops or goes. Pay close attention when you're riding the train. All the New Yorkers are kind of always... There's a guy asleep who's still... Bing! West 4th Street. Fucking guy from Finland's like, which one is left? 4th Street! A 60-year-old Hispanic woman from Queens, her feet are fucking locked. Okay? Only her middle moves. Her feet are locked, dude. Okay? The train stops and she grabs the railing like Spider-Man. She's like...